Good morning everyone. It is bright and early. We are just chilling under the desk, as you can see, as Stuart is doing some cable management.
It's my favorite part of the day.
So then it's all nice and tidy under my desk because we don't like loose cables. And talking about cables, today we are going to get internet. Hopefully. That's why we're up so early, because the guy who is coming to install the new broadband is coming at like 9. So we have to get everything ready for him. We're excited because so far we've been working with the 4G on both of our phones. Fortunately, we have both unlimited 4G, so that was super useful during our travels and also while we were here. But it's been quite unstable sometimes, and we just can't wait to get proper internet. This is gonna be a life changer, especially since we are getting super fast internet, like speed, proper speed. Really excited. We are waiting for the dude, and then that's it. It's happening. We just got a call from the Virgin Media installation guy. So he's gonna be here any minute now. He said like 5-10 minutes, but that was like 5 minutes ago. So yeah, super excited. We're getting internet today. Yay! What can we see by the window?
The Virgin Media guy.
Is it him? It is Virgin Media.
It's the Virgin Media dude.
Yay! Furiously fast fiber coming through. Yeah! So, what's going on with the internet?
So, it would be very difficult for us to get the cable. The cable is at the front of the house, just beside the door. Now there's a couple of ways we could get it into the house. We could go the whole way around the building. It's a terraced house, so you have to go through everyone else's gardens and everyone else's stuff, and eventually round into the back of the house. You could go over the roof, but for health and safety, it's too dangerous. Can't do that. So the other alternative is that we put it into the room above the door, which is my office. So conveniently, I get access to the fastest internet, which is very useful.
Yeah, because the original plan was to have it downstairs in the living room, right next to my desk, but now it's gonna be next to your desk. And luckily, we did get a motherboard with Wi-Fi on my computer, because first I wanted to save money and not get the Wi-Fi because I thought I would be plugged in. But good thing we went for the Wi-Fi option, because now it looks like I'm gonna have to work with the Wi-Fi and he's gonna be plugged in. So
it's gonna be great.
Yeah, speed!
I'm gonna get the fastest internet from here.
Yeah. So yeah, the guy is currently installing the stuff. I'm not too sure what he's doing here in the entrance.
That's the test, so you're plugging it to make sure it works.
Oh, okay. And yeah, the thing is here, like right at the entrance of the house, like right there. Woo, it's cold and rainy. So the plan was to plug it here, so right under my desk, and then, you know, have a Wi-Fi hub on top of my computer or something, and then plug it in directly. But now it looks like it's going to be in Stuart's office. So we have moved things around, sorry for the mess. You can admire his beautiful cable management on point. But yeah, now it's gonna be here, so he only has to wire it through the window here, or I don't know. Honestly, I'm not too sure how that's gonna happen. I'll leave it to the technician.
The guy's still installing the internet. We thought we'd give you a comparison as to what we've been living with until now. So we've been running off a hotspot on our phones. My phone has been powering everything because we've got an unlimited data mobile contract. And although that's great, the speed isn't always reliable. It drops out quite frequently, and you know, it's not great. What I'll do is I'll just show you quickly the kind of speed we're getting at the moment, and then I'll show you a comparison afterwards, just to show you the difference in speed, which hopefully will be pretty noticeable. So right now, this is what we're running on. Now, compared to some people's houses, it's not that bad, especially given we're running off, you know, 4G on a phone. But it's not ideal, especially when there's multiple of us using it, and the upload speed when we've been uploading to YouTube is questionable. And yeah, we've been dealing with this for all of our devices until then. And the ping is really high as well, so you can't play anything, can't do anything really. Like, Soph's been trying to play WoW and it's been a struggle, right? So I'll show you afterwards the speed, and then yeah, go from there. Okay, so the guy has just left, and I can now show you what he's done. So he's drilled this hole through the wall that goes to outside, and then goes down the building right next to the door downstairs by the kitchen. We've got this little socket here, which is connected to the wall, which has just got the fibre connection coming in. That's plugged into here, all nice and tidy, and that's going into the back of our new router. I've moved my desk out temporarily to allow him to drill the holes and everything, and I'll be moving this back soon. But now we have Wi-Fi and we can test it out. And we didn't know it was going to happen, but now the Wi-Fi is in my office. I've been very lucky. We thought it was going to be downstairs by Sophie's desk, but at the end of the day, well, the only way to do it was to put it on this side. Lucky me. Time to test the speed. Okay, time to give it the first test. Router is just here. Let's go. That's not a bad speed. Really not bad. I kind of want to test it with an Ethernet cable, but I don't have anything that runs through Ethernet. I don't have an adapter for my laptop. It's a bit sad, isn't it? Anyway, we now have internet. This has been an exciting day. I'm very happy. Just got to move all my stuff back. Now I should be able to really get back to gaming, or Sophie will be able to get back to gaming. Let's go see what she thinks. Hey, Han. Just cooking.
Hello.
It smells really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the first result from the internet speed. What do you think?
Oh my god. This is insanely fast. This is gonna be a life changer. I'm so looking forward to try it. Crazy. So is it all done? All set up? All working?
Yes.
Is it set up on my computer as well?
No.
Can you do it when I'm cooking?
Yes.
Please. Thank you. And look at that. This is our new baby. It looks so fancy. We've never had a hub like this before. This is like the very latest box they got at Virgin Media, so we're very happy with it. Stuart has been running some tests. He's already trying Google Stadia. Hello.
Yo.
Is it working?
It is working. I can play my games.
You can finally play his games on Google Stadia.
Play games on Stadia.
Because we tried while we were traveling on his laptop and his MacBook, but it wasn't great.
It wasn't smooth.
Yeah, it wasn't smooth. It kept disconnecting because of the 4G, obviously.
It seems pretty like the quality is already better.
That's pretty cool. We've already connected all of our devices on the Wi-Fi, and obviously on my side, guess what is the first thing that I'm doing, obviously? Installing Warcraft! I know, I'm proud and ashamed at the same time because I've been playing this game for so many years and I can't get tired of it. And I've been playing Classic for a long time, and while we were traveling as well on the laptop, it was kind of alright. But now that, you know, we have proper computer, proper Wi-Fi, this is gonna be great. I can't wait to experience the latest expansion. So yeah, we're super happy. I know it was a bit of a random episode to just see us connected to the internet, but it's just so weird, you know, nowadays not to have internet. So this is quite a big day for us, especially since we've been basically living here for 3 weeks without internet. I mean, without the Wi-Fi, the fast broadband. And I think this is like the fastest broadband you can have here in Scotland. So yeah, we're super happy. All right, thank you for following us on this tech nerdy journey, and we'll see you next week. Bye.